Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making backups and ensuring power. Back up your photos and contacts to Google, then plug the Redmi Y1 into Wi-Fi and a charger. Once done, check storage and remove unnecessary files so the update can download. Make sure you have at least a couple gigabytes free. You also want to note your current MIUI and Android version in settings so you can confirm the upgrade later. Now move to System Updates in Settings and prepare to download the package. You go to Settings, About Phone, and tap System Updates to check for available packages. If an OTA appears, tap Download and allow it to fetch the full file over Wi-Fi. Once the download finishes, choose Install and accept any prompts. The updater will verify the package integrity and then reboot into recovery to apply the update. Make sure not to force close the screen or unplug the device during installation, because interruptions can lead to installation failures or boot loops. After the device restarts, you'll go through first-time optimization, let apps update and sign back into accounts as needed. Once stable, confirm the new Android and MIUI version in settings so you know the update applied correctly. If the phone won't boot or behaves oddly, try wiping cache from recovery first, and if that fails, use My PC Suite or Fastboot tools to reflash firmware. Only do that if you're comfortable, otherwise contact Xiaomi support for guided help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.